Hi, I'm Krista,
Hi, I'm Lisa.
and we're Farmhouse Rose Co. And today we're making a farmhouse Christmas lantern. The supplies we use for this project includes a wood plaque from Dollar Tree, a Christmas lantern, some wooden balls, some wood glue, chalk paint, and ribbon. We're going to start by painting our wood circle with some white chalk paint. While our wood circle is drying, we're going to go ahead and paint our wood balls with Truffle by Waverly. Now we're going to remove the piece of greenery from our lantern using wire cutters. We're going to distress our lantern using white chalk paint. Now we're going to distress the wood balls with white chalk paint. Now we're going to distress the edges and bottom of the wood circle with Truffle by Waverly. We're going to remove the bow from the greenery because we're going to make our own later. Now we're going to glue the wood balls onto the circle using a mixture of wood glue and hot glue. Now we're going to flip our lantern upside down. And we're gluing on a foam circle. We created the circle by taking the lantern and using it as a template on a foam board and cut it out with an X-Acto knife. Now we're going to glue the lantern to the wood circle. Now we're going to take some of our ribbon and wrap it around our lantern. And we're going to glue it into place and cut off any excess ribbon. Now we're going to create the bow for our lantern. We just created a simple shoestring bow and dovetailed the ends. And then we glued it into place. And then we just glued the greenery onto the center of the bow. And here's how our lantern turned out. We think it turned out beautiful.
Thank you for joining us today.
We hope you enjoyed coming along with us today as we created this beautiful farmhouse Christmas lantern.
If you've already subscribed to our channel, thank you for your support.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so. Every subscriber, comment, and like helps our channel to grow and for YouTube to notice us a little bit more.
Talk to you guys next time.
Bye for now.